architect is going to be on property with the MEP engineers. MEP is mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, to get the last drafts for the schematic designs. And then we're planning a meeting with our contractor next week to talk budget. It's been a long road to this point, so very excited about that, to see what where we at financially and what it will cost and what we will have to let go and what we want to move forward with. So excited. Okay, so we moved the chipper to a different location, so we're close to the debris. We're gonna go and check on the architect and the MEP people in the manor house. And Zach just delivered his seating machine too, so he can start early in the morning tomorrow. So super exciting, but a lot of stuff happening. We're here together with the architect, and I wanted to just bring you to this beautiful view of the rooms here. Look at this. Okay guys, we are going back to help out the guys now. Okay, so no wood chipping today. We've been trying for the last hour and a half to make the machine running, and it doesn't turn on at all. So called the company, they had issues with it before. So we're gonna bring it back and we can take it next week free of charge. I mean, not free because we paid for it, but yeah. So we're gonna do other woodwork. Let's go. It's great to see so much activity on property. Our contractors are here as well. So architect, MEP, engineers and contractors, and then our own crew. So much work be done. Super exciting. Mañana por la mañana, put todo en el coche esta noche.
Ajá.
Today we are a little bit everywhere on property. We're preparing for Zach to start seeding tomorrow, so we're making sure that the area of the meadow is clear from debris and branches and still some pieces of wood that we need to cut up. Now we're cleaning up this area where we start doing the wood chip. Lots of stuff is happening. I love it. Let's go. Checking the field to make sure there's no logs anymore on the property. This is going to be the meadow. It's all going to be seeded in wildflowers and wild grasses, so this whole area will transform to a beautiful space to wind down or to throw a party. Let's go look at the cloud formation. no forget que new battery.